Configuring vCenter and Active Directory server in Horizon console. Let's get started. In last video, we have activate the license key. In this video, we are going to add Active Directory and the vCenter server within Horizon console. You need to log in with the admin. Once you logged in over here, you need to scroll down a little bit. Settings section, you have to come over here. I'm adding vCenter. You have to put the vCenter IP address. For me, this is my vCenter IP address. I won't be able to copy paste because it is on browser, so I won't be able to copy paste. So I'm typing in, okay, straight away the IP address 10.10.10.131. Username, whatever you have the username for your vCenter server. For me, it's administrator @vspare.local and the password 123. Don't use my password, okay? It's very normal one. Administrator TRATOR vspare.local, then say next. Click on view certificate, accept. I'm not making this video or this complete course complicated. I just want to make easy as possible, okay? Next, do not check this, that's okay. Next, and just submit. Meaning that the hosting service which we are going to use for delivering the VDI, the desktop, the application, we are using vCenter, okay? Now go to domains. It's mandatory to add the domain, of course it is. Say add corp.local. How it come up by default? Because while installation you have seen, right? Username sysadmin. I have created one user sysadmin. I have given all the role to this particular ID, so I can use this ID all the time. Okay, this is not my production environment, this is my own home lab, so I can do whatever I want. And it is easy to remember, it is easy to type in, right? That's what I just make this simple. Okay, if you want to be complicated, that's your choice, you can do so. So these two settings are done, right, as per our configuring vCenter, adding Active Directory and server in Horizon console. Let's see you next video. Thank you very much for watching this.